Ashok Nagar in the national capital, the Delhi government has relaxed the restrictions imposed initially due to the pandemic and the lockdown, due to the lockdown which was caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. The shops have started opening. You can see that there's a garment shop which was initially locked down and at a time when only essential shops were allowed to open. There's a garment shop, there are a couple of garment shops which have opened in the area. I request my camera person to zoom into these shops where things have become functional. These shops have become operational after the relaxation of the lockdown. Also, we have a super mall here, a small super mall selling electronic goods over here. And moving on, we also have some of other shops selling the essential goods and items, the pharmacy shops which were open since the beginning. But a lot of other shops have opened up in the area after Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal highlighted in his press conference yesterday that the revenue in the national capital has been affected. In the month of April, Delhi collected around 3,500 crores of revenue. But this year in April, it was reduced to only 330 crores. This is a huge step down in terms of revenue collection. But what we can see in these markets are that there is no implementation of social distancing. People are not following the norms. They are not realizing that social distancing and keeping a distance from each other is the only ammunition which we have against an invisible enemy, which is the coronavirus. And that virus, which has claimed over 1,000 lives in our country and 64 so far in the national capital. In the national capital, there are over 4,500 positive cases. And people, as relaxations were giving today, were allowed to step out in some of the zones which did not report many cases. But we can see that people are not following the social distancing norms. They are not taking care of the fact that they need to maintain distance so as to break the chain of the novel virus. India is doing well. And to flatten the curve, it is imperative for the residents, for the citizens of India.
राजधानी लखनऊ में मॉडल शॉप्स खुल गई हैं। हमने थोड़ी देर पहले आपको कुछ और तस्वीरें ऐसी दिखाई थी जहां पे पुलिस की निगरानी में मॉडल शॉप्स में लोग खड़े थे और वहां पे प्रॉपर सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का पालन हो रहा था। पर ये चारबाग के पास की एक शॉप है और आप देखिए किस तरीके से सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग की धज्जियां उड़ाई गई हैं। लोग एक दूसरे के बगल में सटके पूरी तरीके से खड़े हैं और एक तरीके से कहीं ना कहीं पूरी तरीके से सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग की धज्जियां उड़ाते हुए ये आपको तस्वीरें चारबाग के पास की हैं। लोगों के लिए हालांकि आप नीचे देखिए तो नीचे बैरक्स बॉक्सेस बनाए गए हैं, लेकिन वो पूरी तरीके से लोगों ने उसको इग्नोर कर दिया है और एक दूसरे से सट करके शराब की दुकानों में लोगों की लाइनें लग गई हैं और ये सभी लोग सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग की पूरी तरीके से धज्जियां उड़ाते हुए और शराब की दुकानों पे लाइनें लगा करके और अब शराब खरीद रहे हैं।
Today is the first day of third lockdown and we are here at Paschim Vihar area. Few relaxation have been given and that is why this mobile shop is open and the few customers are here.
सर देखिए, हमें सुविधा तो बिल्कुल है ही है, मगर हम लोगों को दिमाग में ये चीज़ सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का बिल्कुल ध्यान में रखते हुए काम करना है कि अगर शॉप में घुसना भी है तो हम पहले वेट करें कि जो पहले कस्टमर है वो बाहर आए, फिर हम दूसरा बंदा कस्टमर अंदर जाए।
सब पालन कर रहे हैं। हम नॉर्मली भीड़ इकट्ठी कर ही नहीं रहे शॉप में। हम एक एक करके सबको आने दे रहे हैं अंदर, प्रॉपर सेफ्टी के साथ, प्रॉपर मास्क के साथ। अगर कोई नहीं लगा के आ रहा तो हम उसको मास्क भी प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं।
You can see that they are also maintaining social distance so that they could fight this COVID disease. And this shop is open now. The area people are coming here to buy a cell phone as well as they are also coming to repair their cell phone.